All five cases.
Tomika, Joy, Schlipp. And I like you pretty shirt.
Thank you. That you're going to plead no contest, disorderly person. All of the other four cases would be dismissed.
Yeah, I won't plead no contest.
Giving up your right to appeal of right.
Like a peel on an apple?
She has been in custody for roughly the last 7 years on an 18-month sentence.
Everybody, rock your body, everybody.
This is Tomika. If you have been anywhere on lawtube over the past few months, you've no doubt seen this lovely lady. She's definitely a special lady, but for all the mental health challenges she has, she got through a no contest plea a lot quicker and easier than quite a few other defendants who clearly don't share the same obvious issues Tomika does. And with that no contest plea, the end of an era has come. Tomika has apparently spent 7 years in jail for a presumptive 18-month sentence, and now she gets to go home. Let's roll, nerds.
All right, court does call the cases of the people versus Tomika Schlipp. All five cases. Hello, Miss Schlipp. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
You're still smiling, I see.
Yes, ma'am, I am.
And I like your pretty shirt.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
All right, thank you. Please.
Thank you. I'm not saying that I can marry you. I just gotta say you got beautiful smiles.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Ms. Schlipp. Ms. Schlipp, will you please say your name for the record? Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Not too bad. Can you say your name for the record?
Tomika Schlipp.
Your Honor, may you approach briefly?
Please.
What the fuck? I'm back.
Yep, you are back. So am I.
Here I go.
Okay?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm
All
sorry,
right.
Mrs. Simpson.
No, you're okay. All right,
I
so,
just get really hyper because I have autism. And I get really hyper when I see people I know.
okay. All
It
right,
makes
so
me
here's
feel
what
good.
I do? Go ahead.
Yeah, I said yeah. You make me feel good because you always smile at me.
Well,
And I told you over and over again, sir, you have a very beautiful smile.
yes, you did. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Miss Slab,
Yeah,
there's an agreement in your case that you're gonna plead no contest to a disorderly person. That will be in the case ending in 727. Upon your successful no contest plea to that charge, count one in that case would be dismissed and all of the other four cases would be dismissed.
I don't understand what you mean.
Ms. Schlipp,
Yeah?
do you recall meeting with Ms. Cannon earlier this week?
Oh, you're in.
Hi, Stephanie.
This is what Ms. Cannon discussed with you in entering a no contest plea to the one count of disorderly. We're going to ask the judge for immediate sentencing, and then all of your cases here will be closed out.
Okay.
Is that what you'd like to do today?
Yeah, I want to plead no contest. And I
Okay.
want to be done coming to court.
Okay. All right, Ms. Schlipp, the court and or myself are gonna ask you some questions. Okay?
If I can remember,
Well, yeah, we'll ask you them and just, most of them are yes or no answers, okay?
okay.
Okay. So first thing I need you to do, Ms. Schlipp, is I need you to raise your right hand.
This one?
Nope,
That
other one.
one's right.
There you go. And do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony that you'll give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
I do.
All right, state your name again.
Tomika Joy Schlipp.
Okay. It's the court's understanding that you're going to plead no contest to the charge of disorderly person. That's a misdemeanor
Yes.
punishable. Okay, that's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days and a $500 fine plus court cost. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
I think Stephanie told me I'm not pleading innocent, but I'm not pleading guilty either.
That's true. What you're doing is you're not contesting the fact that you may be guilty of disorderly person.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm sorry.
What I will do is I will read over the police report and I'll accept those facts as true to determine whether or not you committed that offense, okay?
Okay.
Okay, the other thing that you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court would be treating you the same as though you had pled guilty.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, okay.
I'm sorry.
No, that's good. So understanding all of that, how do you plead to that charge?
Yes, I plead no contest.
Now, you understand that by pleading no contest, you're not going to have any trial at all. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. You also understand that because of that, you're giving up certain rights. You're giving up your right to call witness.
My
Pardon?
Manda rights. My Manda rights, right? My Manda rights?
Your Miranda rights?
No, Ms. Schlipp,
Yeah, that
there's
one I'm
your
giving
trial
up.
rights.
No, you're giving up your trial rights. I'm going to tell you what those are, okay?
Okay.
All right. So you're giving up your right to call witnesses or have this court force the witnesses to appear at court to testify against you. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You're also giving up your right to see, hear, and question all witnesses against you at trial. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. You also understand that you're giving up your right to be a witness for yourself or to remain silent and not have that silence used against you.
Yes, Mr. Simpson.
And you're also giving up your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that?
Yes, Mr. Simpson.
Okay. You're also giving up your right to an automatic appeal, and that's basically giving up your right to appeal of right. You'd have to ask permission to appeal this case or the sentence. You understand that?
No, because I don't know what you mean by appeal. Like appeal on an apple?
No. If you don't like the fact that you are having a conviction in this case or the sentence that I'm going to impose, if you don't like it, you'd have to ask permission of the higher court to hear any complaint you have.
Okay, understand now, hon.
You
Sorry.
understand that?
Yes,
Okay,
Mr. Simpson.
Okay, it's true you're not on probation and you're not on parole, right?
That's right, sir.
Okay. Has anybody
I'm not
promised
on
you?
parole, but I'm not on parole, but I hope I get my parole soon.
Okay.
I wanna go home.
Okay, me too. All right. Nobody's promised you anything other than what we've said here today, that you would plead to this one charge and then everything else would be dismissed. Nobody promised you anything else, did they?
No.
Okay. Has anybody threatened you or forced you in any way to enter this plea?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will, correct?
Yes, sir. And of God
All right.
will.
Okay.
And God
And
will.
I
So
have
we do everything
been
through God.
I've been provided and have reviewed Michigan Department of State Police report for their case number 624-24. Any objection to the court having reviewed that report?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objection.
All right. Based upon a review of that report, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of this offense. Counsel, have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Your Honor, defense is satisfied.
People are satisfied.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of no contest to count 2 in case ending in 727. Count 1 in that case is dismissed, as well as the cases ending in 1449, 1706, 1823, and 654. Those are dismissed as part of this agreement. All right. Okay. Anything you want to say before I impose sentence?
Me?
Your Honor,
Well, yeah, yes, I have to give you that right. You have, but go ahead.
I just want to
Please.
say that I hope you guys do.
Hey.
God bless us.
Okay, Ms. Schlipp, hold on a moment. I'm going to let your attorney talk to me first, okay?
Okay.
All right, please.
Your Honor, we're asking the court to consider a credit for time served sentence on this, waive any fines and costs the court can, considering Ms. Schlipp's status in the Michigan Department of Corrections. Your Honor, she has been in custody for roughly the last 7 years on an 18-month sentence out of Jackson County. So we're asking, based on those circumstances, the court impose a time served sentence. Once he files out. Thank you.
Ms. Schlipp?
Yes?
Anything you want to tell me before I impose sentence?
I just want to say God bless you, Mr. Simpson. And I want to also tell you, Mr. Simpson, I prayed for you.
Ms. Schlipp, thank you for that. I do
You're very,
appreciate it.
very welcome. I prayed for you because I know your job can't be all that. Like, it probably gets real frustrating. So I ask God to give you strength and wisdom to keep going.
Ms. Schlipp, it's a sentence of the court. Fines and cost of $125, sentenced to 90 days incarceration, credit for 90 days served. And Ms. Schlipp, you would appear here every couple of weeks. This is it, or the end of it. So I'll just let you know I'm going to miss you.
I'm going to miss you too, Mr. Simpson. I'm definitely going to miss your beautiful smile.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Ms. Schlipp. You take care of yourself, okay?
Okay, I will, Mr.
Yes,
Simpson. Just
Hold on, Ms. Schlipp. There's... okay, thank you.
I just want to put on the record just that as recently as February 27th, this court signed an order finding that he's incompetent.
Yes.
And there's no reason that we believe that status has changed and yet.
All right. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Take care, Ms. Schlipp.
Take care, Mr. Simpson. Bye. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy watching this content, please like and subscribe. It helps new channels like this one gain exposure. There is a lot more good court to come, so if you like what you saw, tell your friends. If you didn't, tell me, and let me know what you'd like to see and how I can improve. Thanks.